Welcome to the Sea View Pool.
And that is the Sea View Pool. It's the smaller of the two pools, I think, on board. Looks pretty good. We haven't gone to the pool yet. Spent so much time in port. Now that we're at sea for another day, we gotta check it out. But Sophie's checking this out. So, to the left is north-ish, and to the right is south-ish. So that means right over yonder is Colombia, which we saw earlier, and a little beyond that is Venezuela, because we're just past the border between the two. A lot closer is Sophie, making sure her hat doesn't blow off. There's an oil tanker off to who knows where, possibly the Panama Canal. I don't know if it's a tanker, it looks like a freight ship of sorts. Either way, pretty cool.
Hi, Michael.
I'm like thrown in the back of the boat. Alright. What do you think of the pool?
So fun, Dad.
Yeah. Now watch this drive.
No, don't drive.
Video,